Hi everyone! If you're trying to get some extra money from home, this is a really good option for you. Let's try this beautiful bracelet for teenagers and girls. Let's begin. These are the materials of today. We're gonna start cutting 45 centimeters. And before we start, we're gonna melt it. And now, as the first step, we're gonna start with the crystals. For this design, you can mix and match the crystals and charms. You can play around with the colors and choose the ones that you like the most. This is just an idea, but you can change the colors of the charms, you can change colors of crystals, and everything is up to you. In this case, we're using colors like purple, white, blue, pink, but as I told you before, you can choose whatever color you like. The bracelet is about 14 centimeters. As the next step, we're gonna make a simple knot. And now we're gonna make the sliding closing knot. This is of 25 centimeters. And for this step, we're gonna make the basic knot or the flat knot. Here I show you the step by step so you can follow it. Once we finish with the flat knot, we're gonna cut the rest. And after that, we're gonna melt it. Now you can choose the size you like the most. Once we have the correct size, we're gonna introduce a charm and a crystal, and we're gonna finish with the simple knot. Once we finish with the charms and crystals, we're gonna cut the rest and we're gonna melt it. And this is how it looks at the end. This is a really beautiful bracelet for teenagers and girls. It is really fast and easy to make. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.